but also not from here. Remember, it is from here. Okay, can see where is it? Here. So I want you to do it here. So if you are doing it alone, so you want to secure it. You want to secure it, and then you want to go also here. Okay, also here. Yeah. Okay. So the first one would be, I want you to use pull and then pull. Okay. So then you have to pull, and then you roll to the front. You roll to the front. Always give it a little pull. Then you go round here. Give it a little pull. Okay, to the back. Then you go layer by layer, layer by layer, and then you want to give it. Okay, so you stand like shoulder apart, your feet shoulder apart. So you want to give it a little pull. Okay, and then you want to go this way. Give it a little pull to your comfort level. To your comfort level. So you want to give it a little pull. Okay. So then you can feel the tightness and the support. The tightness. So you pull a little bit. Okay. Then you pull a little bit here. Down. Okay. Pull. Then you go. Give it a little pull. Okay, so then you give it a little pull. You don't have to turn like what I did. If I'm doing alone, I'm not showing you, right? I can just stand on the spot and then I wrap myself. But because I'm showing you, that's why I am turning around. So when it is the waist area, you want to like breathe and tighten. Breathe and tighten. Wow. So you want to breathe and tighten. Well, it can be quite tight, even if you know how to do it, right? It can be quite tight for the first few times when because I've been doing this for many years, so I know how to do it. Like you. Okay, now here is you want it to be tighter is actually your waist area in between your rib cage and your hip. Okay, in between your rib cage and your hip. But if you go here is already the rib cage. You don't want to pull too tight because it is on your bone already. Okay, so you can do it like this. Okay. So you can actually support. It is not meant to be loose, okay? Especially when I see many hard to breathe. When I see many clients, right? I see how they use the Velcro type of wrap. If your hand can actually put inside, like for me, my hand is hard to put inside. So if your hand can, when you do use the Velcro one instead of this, right? If your one hand can comfortably like put inside the pocket, put inside, that's too loose. I've seen many people who do especially the cesarean case, right? When they have operation to have the baby out, the way they wrap, right, is basically wrapping. It's not like it's not like it's not like wrapping. It's more like merry-go-round. It's like merry-go-round. It is not, yeah, it is not tight enough. How do you know it is tight enough? Like it naturally supports you with that posture. Like you're upright. There's no way you can do like that. You are upright. Yeah. Then you know it is, yeah, you're doing it right. So you don't want to pull too much because here is the rib cage already. You don't want to pull too hard. Okay? So you observe that I don't pull. Okay, I don't pull. I don't pull already. Okay, so here. So if there's excess, what you want to do is you can bring it down. Bring it down already. Okay? So when you feel like it is coming down to your waist area, that's where you can actually tighten it. Tighten it. Okay? Like give it, like you breathe in, then you tighten it to your comfort level. Okay, to your comfort level. For postnatal, after baby is born, it is very much like what feels comfortable to you, what makes you feel being nurtured, makes you feel love. Okay, it is not like trying something that you don't like. Okay, yeah, because the nurturing aspect of whatever you do, right, it is important. It's not just the effect of it, but the emotional aspect of it is important. So what do you do? So it is like a kind of like flat, yeah, flat. So what do you do? What do you do? You see this line, right? This line, yeah. We're talking about postnatal wrap today. So this line, you can see this line. So that's the ending part. That's the ending part. So when your masseuse do it for you at home, because now I don't do home visit postnatal massage. I only do home visit baby cries consultation or baby care consultation. And then mother breast massage, engorgement massage. Yeah, that I do home visit. Yeah. Postnatal, prenatal, I don't do home visit already. Yeah. So then you find a place to tuck it in, and you must know where is the three lines, so that you know where to look for. Then you don't go round and round and round, trying to go round and round and round and round. Don't know where's the ending part. Yeah, so if the masseuse comes to your house to do postnatal massage, what you need to do is ask your masseuse where is the ending part, so that you know that you can quickly search for here, and then you can just where is it search here, and then you can remove it already. If not, you go round and round and round and round because the masseuse forgotten to tell you, because sometimes I forgotten to tell my client where is the ending part. So you must also remember to ask if your masseuse forgotten to tell you, because sometimes it happens. Yeah. And if you are doing like for 5 sessions, like last time my Indian clients, right, they do like 20-40 sessions postnatal. But like massage day is very common. And then before they go back to India, right, after they birth, she already booked the masseuse over there. Like she asked a few of her friends like who to contact for massage. But their massage don't have this belly wrap. Only we like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, certain countries is very common. It's very common. So it gives you that support. We are not supposed to sit too much, because a few months down the road, right, when you hold your baby without the support, you hold your baby, it's like something is wrong with your lower back. And if you sit too much, you look at you pumping, you look at baby breastfeeding, I tell you, your neck, shoulder, and all that, right, very tiring, and then your lower back and all that. Yeah. So it is a lot of care going into the postnatal time.